Empress announces the new EMAM 5.0 with many new enhancements. EMAM now supports iPhone and iPad devices. A new media upload application is available on iTunes Store to support uploading of media to any EMAM system. Just click and upload. It's that simple. IPTC metadata is now extracted from photos and displayed in the metadata widget. Ingest profiles will display a status light next to each profile showing the connection quality. EMAM Feeder now uploads directly to an S3 bucket. This high-speed upload function moves media to the cloud much faster than before. Adobe Media Encoder can now be used as a centralized transcoding service for all EMAM transcoding needs. Using the EMAM Feeder, media is moved to an S3 bucket, which can then be transcoded using AWS Elemental Media Convert and Elastic Transcoder. Drastic's NetXcopy transcoder can now be used on-premise or in the cloud for all EMAM transcoding workflows. EMAM now supports Harmonic's WFS file-based workflow transcoder engine. Editors can now send out sequence previews using the eBin eShare option. Recipients will be able to preview the rough cut in a local browser and add their comments. Moving media in and out of EMAM from an Avid is a snap using Marquis Medway Muse technology. Marquis will handle all of the file handshaking for you. A similar workflow can be processed through the Vantage file-based transcoding engine. The EMAM panel is now supported by Adobe's InDesign and After Effects programs. Editors can now search, find, import, and manage media through the new panel. EMAM now supports Adobe's Team Projects platform with full media management through the Adobe Premiere panel. Through the EMAM panel, editors can create dynamic links and pass markers in Adobe Premiere Pro to EMAM Director. EMAM is now integrated with the latest AI technology, including Microsoft Video Indexer, VoiceBase, IBM Watson, HPE Microfocus, and now Amazon Rekognition. The new Insights and Transcripts widgets will display the information provided by these AI web-based platforms, including facial recognition, speech-to-text, object recognition information, and more. The EMAM panel now supports advanced search, allowing editors to perform more refined searches for media. Within the project widgets, EMAM Director users can now create a collection of EMAM projects, making it easier to assign and find current and past projects. The new EMAM Desk Link desktop application allows users to search, find, preview, upload, and download media and projects. EMAM Director users can now customize the metadata columns in the Browse List view and then export a CSV file for further review options. Using the Thumbnails view in the Browse widget, users can multi-select assets and drag them to a project, category, or send it to eBin or delivery. Through My Account, users can track their EMAM platform version, manage application installations, and change their user profile settings. EMAM now offers a white label version of the EMAM platform for full customization and branding. The File Version widget now supports drag and drop of new asset versions. Simply drag and drop a new version and set the face version. Users can create a placeholder for future assets to be added to the EMAM system, add metadata, and assign a thumbnail, and add an original asset to the placeholder later. Keyframes can be added from any frame of video using the Keyframe Grab tool in the preview player. Find the frame you want, click the Grab button, and assign the new thumbnail to media in the Keyframe widget. EMAM Admin now supports reporting, including user history, asset state, and eBin messages. Avid Dialog Search offers users a phonic search capability based on the spoken word. This unique service provides feedback on what was said in a video. If your user credentials are assigned to one or more units, you can now quickly jump from one unit to the next. Administrators can add programmable buttons to the metadata widget for users to click and perform local client functions such as launch an application or server-based functions to run custom scripts. New options have been added to the action list in workflows. Administrators can now trigger functions like add asset to a category or project. Improvements have been made on the sidecar XML option, which now supports more variables and associate file actions. EMAM now supports SAML, a single sign-on procedure for cloud applications, creating a more secure authentication process. EMAM can now restore archive files to an original index location, including the source drive. SpectraLogic's Black Pearl now supports partial file restore. Using EMAM and Black Pearl, users can now select a section of video that is archived and restore that portion as needed. EMAM has updated its support for Zendata and is now integrated with the latest XML API. EMAM now works with the most popular object storage vendors, including Dell EMC, IBM, NetApp, Object Matrix, and Cloudian. When purging assets, EMAM directory users can now delete the version of the asset stored in the cloud only. For cost-effective storage, EMAM now supports Amazon Glacier as an archive location. The new Backblaze B2 can now be set as an online storage location in an EMAM platform. The EMAM platform now supports .NET Framework 4.5, which improves background services and support for EMAM users. Using the AWS serverless architecture, administrators can manage ingest workflows at a much higher rate of speed. Media is ingested using the EMAM Feeder application and processed quickly using the AWS Lambda and Media Convert technology. This distributed architecture improves the overall upload time of media, allowing for a quicker access and review of the content. EMAM now supports parallel processing of media using the Adobe Premiere Pro panel. Impress development team has updated the EMAM RESTful API, including the create, read, update, and delete options for category management. The sidecar process now includes ingest from HTTP source, associate original, proxy, mezzanine to an existing asset or placeholder. For more information about EMAM 5.0, please visit our website at www.impressmam.com.